Welcome to my channel. Connect HP OfficeJet Pro 9730E to Wi-Fi in minutes, easy tutorial. 1. Turn on your printer. Plug in your HP OfficeJet Pro 9730E and press the power button to switch it on. Wait until it's fully ready. 2. Go to the printer screen menu. On the touchscreen, tap the wireless icon or open settings to access network options. 3. Open Wireless Setup Wizard. Find and select Wireless Settings or Network Setup, then tap Wireless Setup Wizard. 4. Select your Wi-Fi network. A list of nearby Wi-Fi networks will appear. Choose your home or office Wi-Fi name. 5. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Type your password carefully using the on-screen keyboard, then tap OK or Connect. 6. Wait for the connection message. Give it a few seconds. The printer will show a confirmation message once it's connected. 7. Download the HP Smart app. Install the HP Smart app on your phone or computer if you haven't already. 8. Add your printer in the app. Open the app and tap Add Printer so it can find your device automatically. 9. Printer Test Page. Print a quick test page to make sure everything is working properly. 10. Start printing wirelessly. Your printer is now connected to Wi-Fi and ready to use from any device on the same network. Thanks for watching.